Cloud Ready Facilitator program. The program starts on 10th April and ends on 10th June. This form will close on 10th April. You have to fill out the Google form to enroll this program. If you have no QuickLabs account, you have to create one. So we will show you the entire process to enroll. So first click on enroll in the program here button. Click on enroll now. You will get a form to fill. Just click next and accept the terms and conditions. Enter your full name. Enter your full details. Select your t-shirt size. Select your institution name. If your institution name is not in this list, you can give other option. And specify your institute name. And specify your referral institution. Okay, we are giving Sister Nivedita Institute. Okay, Sister Nivedita University, Kolkata. Give your year of graduation. And there is a question, do you have an account on QuickLabs? If you have already an account, you can click yes. And if there is no account, you have to create one. Now you have to get the public URL. Sign into QuickLabs. Sign in using your Google account. Okay, now go to My Learning session. And you can see View Public Profile here. Click on that. You will get your public profile link. Just copy that and paste it in the Google form. Now give I acknowledge and then submit. So if you have to give any edits in your response, you can edit. So now let's see the swags you will get. So you have to complete all the milestones before 10th June. There are 3 milestones and an ultimate milestone. So after completing milestone 1, that is complete any 8 quests and 4 skill badges, you will get this t-shirt, pen, button and stickers. So the second milestone is, if you complete 16 quests and 8 skill badges, you will get a sling bag, t-shirt, pen, stickers and badges. Milestone 3 is complete any 24 quests and 12 skill badges. You will get a backpack, sling bag, t-shirt, pen, badges and stickers. And the ultimate milestone is you have to complete 30 quests and 15 skill badges. You will get these swags along with a free access to the Google Cloud Career Readiness Program. You can choose any of these 2 tracks, that is Associate Cloud Engineer track and Data Analyst track. So the link to apply is open now. There was an issue before, so that's why we just delayed to put this video. So now it's open, so you can apply. All the links will be provided in the description.